I told you guys that we're killing the markets with this strategy. Look at that. It's the best strategy out there. You should know my channel by now. I come up with the best strategy so far in the market, right? So this is it. The strategy I dropped a few days ago is killing the markets, right? So this B1000 and this 1 hour chart, okay? This is our 4 hours chart. Now look at this. We've been in this market for hours now, since in the morning. I've been in this market for hours. If you can count the candlesticks, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 candlesticks, over 6 hours now. Okay, so if I switch to my 1 minute chart, this was our entry down here, right? Our entry was down here with the confirmation of this strategy. Okay, with the confirmation of this strategy, you can see how accurate this strategy is. Whenever market drops from up here, okay, whenever market drops from up here, from top here, right, and comes down below this level, this very zone here, yeah, on the chart, let me place this line right there, below that very line, that red line, and down to the level 20, level 10, just know that it's gonna spike. All right, whenever market gets to those places, just know that it's likely gonna spike very soon, so that's it, guys. So now then on the, okay, let's just do it like this. This strategy is meant for just boom and crash. Use it to catch spikes on boom and crash. Okay, we use 1 minute time frame to trade this strategy, and the zoom level is you see, this is the first zoom level and this is the second. So you can use this second. If you want to use the third, fine, but I use the second. I think the second zoom level gives me good I can see everything I want. I see everything I want to, like everything perfectly. So zoom level 2 is okay. Then you ask me on the screen, where should we position the screen? You can push the screen to the back or in the middle. So far you can see what you're doing, what the market is doing, and you can see the strategy working perfectly. The screen can be any place, can be placed anywhere at all. Okay, it's okay. Then to trade this strategy, you have to stay on the 1 minute time frame, okay, on B1000, B500, or crash 1000 and crash 500. We don't use it to trade crash 300 or B300. It does not work. Okay, you stay on the 1 minute time frame. As you stay on the 1 minute time frame, wow, there's another spike. You stay on the 1 minute time frame. What you're looking for is this confirmation. You're looking at your indicator window 1, which is the RSI. Okay, as this trend, this green indicator is dropping, the RSI is dropping to the level 20 or level 10. Okay, you also confirm that the MACD, the green indicator, the blue indicator here, drops to that same level 20 or level 10, right? Once it touches the level 10 and the RSI touches the level 10 or 20, now you need to look down to here, this bull's power. Okay, when you look down to bull's power, you see that bull's power comes from up, then below this straight line, this middle, right, where you see minus 0.08. Once the market comes below this line, right, you just need to see market coming below this line. Once market comes below this line, what you'll be looking for would be buying, because we have both confirmation here under our indicator window 2, okay, which is the bull's power that comes below that center, which gives us that, which tells us the market will be spiking from there. Then on the indicator window 1, we have the RSI, the green indicator, that drops below the level 10, level 20, level 10 level, right? Then the MACD is below 20 and 10. So that's a good confirmation. You're buying from there. That is for boom. You're buying from there. So that was our confirmation. You can see this, the trade is still running now. That was our confirmation. And the trade is running. We are making good profit, guys. We are making good profits. So this is how to trade with this strategy. As simple as that. Then for crash 1000. let's quickly check the crash 1000 1 minute time frame if there will be entry. Okay, so we are actually approaching the level I'm talking about, the level 80 and 90 level. So if this video gonna stay to markets get to that level, touch the level properly, all right, it's almost touching the level 80, then I would like to see the RSI goes a bit above the level 80. Then if it goes up to that point above the level 80 properly, while I'm still showing the settings for this strategy, then I'll take the trade for us to witness how it works. Okay, so you can see all the conditions are almost have all the conditions in place. We have the bulls power indicator went above this middle here. Let me place this too. It has gone above the middle, that middle right there. Okay, the minus 0.01 level, it has gone below above that level. So since it has gone above that level, this is what I'm talking about. From below, it has gone above this line and it's now trading above this line, right? That is the first confirmation. Then the second confirmation is this one here, the MACD, this blue indicator now has gone above this middle here. I can still place a horizontal line there. All right, you can still place a horizontal line right there. So this MACD has gone above this middle level and goes up to this point. Right now we are waiting for it to touch the level 80 or 90. Then the RSI, the same thing, is doing the same thing, it's coming to the level 80. So we want to see it go above the level 80 somehow, right, for us to find to open a position there, selling position there, right? So that's how to trade. Once we open sell position, we just know, okay, how many candles do you want to allow for market to, or how much are we willing to lose? If you know the amounts, for example, I have $100 account and I want to lose just $5 for this very trade, then if I open with 0.5, I'm waiting for market to spike. Once it gets to $5, I'll decide to just close out, because if you want to wait for a spike to happen and it does not happen, trust me, it might blow your account, because you are still expecting spike to happen. And once you start doing those short spikes, forget about, you're losing so much money. You're about to lose so much money, right? So right now I'll show you guys the settings. Please subscribe to this channel. Okay, you guys, I need you guys support. Subscribe to this channel, is very important, right? So now let me show you guys the settings. So we have three indicators on this chart. We have the MACD, we have the RSI and relative strength index, we have the bulls power. Okay, so the first thing you bring in would be let's say we bring in the RSI, relative strength index. Okay, so the settings, these are the settings. Please, you can screenshot so that you don't forget what I'm doing here. The period is 14, apply to low. Levels here, we have 80, we have 90, we have 10, and we have 20, right? And the time frame, all time frames, the color, you can choose any color, but make sure that the color you're choosing can it will be obvious on your chart, like you'll be able to see it, okay, visible on your chart. Then you click on done. Oh my god, just spiked. I told you guys. We missed that. So I was actually expecting it to push up to at least a bit above this level, above the 80 level, so that I was shut down. I'll sell it from there. It has spiked already. So you can see how powerful this strategy is. Okay, this is not a joke, guys. This is my best strategy out here. This is my best strategy out here. You know, I'll give the best strategy, right? So share this video with your friends. Let everybody watch and benefit from this strategy, okay? And make sure you like, subscribe to this channel, drop some good comments, join the free Telegram channel, learn price action. Hit me up, chat me up for a mentorship, for account management, for VIP signals. I'm always there, right? So you can see what happened now. Just spike at that point. So yeah, so we go back again to add the other indicator, the MACD. We add the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9. Apply to close. The levels, there are no levels there. Time frame, all time frames, you can use the main should be a color that will be shown on your chart. Then the signal should be the same color as your MT5 background. Why? Because we don't want it to be, we don't want to see it on our chart, right? So you click on done. That is the green indicator you have here. That is the blue indicator you have here. We have the green and the blue indicator here on the indicator window 1. Then we go to indicator window 2. You go back again and add bulls power. You add the bulls power. The period is 20, levels, no levels, so all time frames. You can see the color there is red. You can choose any color, that's fine. You click on done. So remember, for crash, you wait for markets to push from down here, right? From down here, market push to this other side, right? This sort of side of the window, okay? The overbought level, okay? Then under indicator window 1, we need to see the MACD, this blue indicator, coming from down above this line up to this point, right? Up to this point. Once it has gotten to this point up here, okay? Let's get up to this point, maybe the 90 level or 80 level. And you also confirm that the RSI, which is the green indicator here, has gotten to level 80 or a few points above level 80 or touches the level 90. You're shorting from there, you sell from that level. It will spike, right? It will spike. It happens every time. It happens every time. Look at this. Let's just do a little back test. Look at that. The same thing here. So we go back again. We are at the same thing, but this one is not a good one. All right. So we have the same thing here. There was spike and long spikes from there. I have another one here. Long spikes from there. We get another one here. We got this one. We got this one. So spikes every time, guys. Spike every time. Spike every time. Look at that. Look at this one. Spike every time, guys. So this strategy works perfectly. I'm not lying. I'm not joking here. Look at that. 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 Yeah. So see that. Every time, guys. Every time it spikes, it gives us good profit. So just need to learn. This strategy. Practice it over time and see what's gonna happen, how you'll be making money. Like, wow. Right? So that'll be all for now. I feel so bad that I didn't take the trade, so you guys we see the spike and see the money we will make from that very trade. Okay, so like I said, don't forget to join our platform. We are giving out signals, mentorship, account management, and also join the right. Our we are starting our batch for mentorship starts on the 9th of October. So make sure that you join and benefit, start learning how to analyze the financial markets and be doing all these things indicators are doing. You do more, like 2 times better than what indicators is doing, right? So yeah. All right, that'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Bye bye.